Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I apply false individual lashes. It's kind of a different way of applying lashes. It's definitely sold in most stores, but I personally have only tried it once, but I loved it. I usually do use strip lashes, but every once in a while when I want a more natural look, I go for the Ardell Individual Lashes. So if you stay tuned, like the video below, and subscribe to my channel, we can get right into the video. Look at those lashes. Oh, do you see this side? Like, yes. Okay. Okay, let's get into the video. I brought you in a little closer. I'm gonna show you guys the products I'm gonna be using. So, I got the Ardell Professional Individuals. It's a pack that looks like this. And I also have this glue. I use this for my strip lashes and for the individuals. And then I also have this cute little applicator that I use for strip lashes and for this as well. So to begin, I'm gonna open the pack. And I did this one other time on an airplane and I thought it was so simple. Then I tried to record a video and I was like struggling to the point that I was like, whoa, not today. Okay, so I just realized that the pack that I got only has the medium length ones, which is really annoying, but usually that's the most that I use anyway, so it is kind of nice to have an extra pack. I do have my other pack that actually does have like the short, medium, and long. So if you want like a full, even like customized looking lash, I would definitely suggest getting the one and making sure that it says short, medium, and long lengths, because literally I look at the package and it says the exact same thing. Like it's the exact same color, exact same package. The only thing is that on it actually says just medium black. So to begin, I'm just gonna take this little piece of paper that came in the box and I'm gonna put a dot of glue from my glue that I'm gonna be using, and you want to put it on there because we want to dip the lash into the glue and we don't want to have to keep squeezing it out and getting more. So I put it on there, just a flat surface, so that I can easily dip it and not really have too many issues with it. So it's just a little black dot like this. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the outside of my eye and I'm going to use the longer lashes. So I personally am going to use the medium ones because I tried the long and they're just a little bit too much for me, and I just feel more comfortable with the actual long, medium one. So I'll probably also be using just a little compact mirror so that I can really get in there, but I want to show you guys. So I'm just gonna start from taking this one, and I'm gonna well, this is the one that only has medium, so I'm gonna take it from the bottom right here. So I'm just gonna pull one up, and it's important too to know that we're going to be applying it. I apply it with my hand like this. So I want to make sure that when I actually put the eyelash on, like between the tweezers, I'm going to have it, position it in a way, if you can see, where when I apply it, it's gonna go directly on to my eye. So now I'm going to just take the end of the actual eyelash and I'm going to dip it in the glue like this, so it has a decent amount, and I'm gonna grab my little compact mirror and I'm going to place this on the end of my eyelash, or on the end of where it would be. I just placed it on there, and for these you kind of want to place them more on top of the actual eyelash than like on the eye. So there you can see I have the first one on. So now I'm just going to take another one, another medium, take it off the pack. I'm going to reposition it in a way that I can apply it easily. And once again, I'm going to dip it in my glue, and I'm going to place this one right beside it. Ooh. And another thing that you want to make sure is that on your tweezer you don't have glue, or else when you try to actually place it, it will get stuck and it might even smear the glue all over your eye. So now it's on there. And I like to take these and kind of, if you can see, squeeze the base of my eyelash, not my actual eye or anything, that would kind of be painful, but actually of the eyelash so that you can see, so that it can press on. I'm gonna keep putting them on, so I like to just get like a base, so I like to place them side by side and then go back and fill them in if they do need to be filled in. So I'm going with another medium one, and I'm gonna place that one right next to the one that I just did. What I love about these is how natural they are. So you will definitely see at the end more of the difference between the two than you do while I'm applying them, because now they just look like my natural eyelashes, but like I have just longer pieces. But they look so natural that it's almost sometimes hard to see, especially on camera. This is what it looks like. I do see a little bit of a patch right here, so I'm gonna add one right here, and then I'm gonna start doing shorter ones. So see how natural it looks? It really just looks longer. It doesn't really give you that much volume as much as it gives you length. Now I'm going to go in with the top row, which are the short ones. You can see it says short black, and these are just a little bit shorter than the medium ones. It gives you that real like tapered look that a natural eyelash would give you. So I'm just gonna put this next along the line where I stopped with the medium. So here you can see. So I'm probably gonna put one more short one, and then I'm gonna go back and make the lash look fuller. This is what the lash actually looks like. And I'm just gonna go through and make it a little bit fuller. So I'm going back to the medium, and I'm gonna go kind of in between or on top where I feel like it could use more. So this is the eye with the lashes on, and this is the eye without. So as you can see, it definitely adds length, it adds volume too. That's without, and that's with. Very, very, very natural. So this is what it looks like. I'll just come in a little bit closer so you can see. So look how natural it is. It makes me actually feel like it looks like the individual ones that you can get done at the salon. And honestly, the last time I did it, it lasted a pretty decent amount of time as well. Yeah, so this is what the lashes look like. And the second eye took me only like 10 minutes to do. Once you get the hang of it, it's actually really quick. You can even choose to reuse them if you want to. You just take them back off and put them back in the box and use them next time. I like to use new ones because then they have glue on them and it's just like they're all mangled a little bit. All right guys, so that's how I apply my individual false lashes. I hope that you learned something and that you enjoyed this video. And if you liked it, give it a little thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.